Hey guys, what's going on? Alright, today we're doing a simple recipe, like we ever do anything different, right? But first I want to thank the sponsor, Dot Store, for sponsoring this episode. Dot Store is a special extension for special people who sell things. So if you have products and you sell them, whether you're Etsy, eBay, PayPal, whatever, then you can get a Dot Store extension. You should get a Dot Store extension. It'll help with your sales. It'll let people know that you have a store. I use it all the time on Amazon, Jack.store and Cooking with Jack.store. And thank you so much, Dot Store, for being who you are, because that's the extension that I needed. All right? You guys ready? Come on in close and let's talk about these. What was the title? Peter Piper picked a peck of pizza poppers. That was it. Oh, wait. Hold on a minute. That wasn't it. It was Peter Piper picked a peck of pepper pizza poppers. That's what it was. All right, now we can go. Come on in close. All right, guys. So basically, we're making pepper pizzas that you can just pop in your mouth. That's it. So we got a big jar. This is like my wife's favorite. If you have to get sauce like in the store, she loves this 4 cheese or the vodka one, but we had an argument in the store and she went with the 4 cheese because we get a larger jar. So we got the 4 cheese sauce, we got the mozzarella, we got pepperonis, we got sausage. We're going to spice that up with some Italian herbs, make it Italian sausage. And then we got our peppers, and we'll show you how we're going to do that. The original recipe, it's been done like 40,000 times. You've seen it all over Facebook, okay? The original recipe was with those sweet peppers, okay? We don't have sweet peppers as big as the ones they used. So we're going to make our own out of bell peppers because we enjoy bell peppers, and they'll hold the ingredients even better. All right, guys. Start with a little bit of oil. Oh, we're running out of oil on this thing. Just get that in the pan. If you run out of oil, fill it up. Let's get this thing lit. Remember the rule. Always check to make sure you got a flame. You hear it light, but you don't want gas filling up the kitchen. And then a spark would explode your house. Not a fun thing, okay? So get the oil nice and hot. All right, what's the rule? I should have threw a little bit of meat in there. Oh, it's sizzling. Sizzling pretty hot, so go ahead and put your sausage in there. This is probably the hardest part of the whole dish, really. Get this all browned and the meat. Get your spatula and cut it up. This is what makes breakfast sausage Italian. Just some Italian seasoning. You don't have this, use basil, oregano, rosemary. If you got this, put it on heavily. All over the meat. Okay guys, cutting this pepper with my new knife set 2-0. Gently cutting right there. And then we're going to cut these in half. And the goal is you want them to be kind of boat-like here, to where you can hold the filling, okay? So we're going to need to clean the meat out of here, the seeds and the meat, okay? But that's basically what we're doing. There we go. Oops. Leave it like that. There we go. Okay. You'll have various boat sizes. So go ahead and clean your peppers and meet me back here. Okay, the best part about this is you can put sauce in this pepper and it's not going to get soggy. It's not going to tear through. It's going to be really, really good as you cook it in the oven. So let's go ahead and build our pizzas right now. Going to take some sauce. If you like a lot of sauce, this is totally customizable. I almost thought about grabbing the pineapple in our fridge and putting pineapple in these, but Tammy said no. So you know how that is.
Make sure you don't overflow because it will sizzle.
Now we're doing sausage. There we go. Stick that in there. Okay. Take a piece of pepperoni. Put it on. Whoops, is that one? Oh yeah, it's really thick pepperoni. I'm just putting one piece. And then I'm doing a lot of cheese, guys. I don't care. I got the silicone laid down so it's not gonna stick to anything. But yeah, I wanna seal the ingredients in. I want it to melt and make sure that we have plenty. We got a nice big bag of cheese. That's the perfect pizza popper right there. Or I should say pepper pizza popper right there. And then you're gonna put this in the oven. There is no time on this. You just wait till the cheese melts and starts to become golden brown, okay? So we're gonna do all these right now. I'm not gonna make you suffer through watching me. But that's basically how you make it in each one. All right, guys, they're all stuffed with sauce, sausage, pepperoni. We've been snacking as you fill. We'd fill one, we'd take a snack, and so we're all full of pepperoni and sausage right now. It's so good. Make sure you're heavy on the cheese. If you got enough cheese, overdo it. It's gonna be awesome. There's gonna be cheese everywhere. So pop these in about 350. Watch them till they melt, and then when you start seeing golden brown on the cheese, pull it out. All right, the concern is to melt the cheese and get this light browning we see on each and every pepper. So now we're gonna give these a try. This one just came out. This was on the bottom level, so it took longer. But this one was done first, so it's cooled down a little bit. So let's give it a try and see how good this really is. You guys ready? These are called pepper pizza poppers. But normally you make them on like the smaller sweet peppers. But we couldn't find them in the store, so we had to go bell pepper. Just as good. Just gonna take about 2 or 3 bites on some of them. So you can't pop the whole thing in your mouth. I probably could, but I'm not going to. Let's try this one. Ooh, and the peppers soften up a little bit. That's nice. Oh well. This basically, it tastes like pizza. You got all the toppings of pizza, plus you got the bell pepper, which is normal on pizza. So it feels like I scraped all the toppings off of pizza, and I'm eating it right now in my mouth. It's delicious. It really is. It's a little messy, but it's really good, and the kids will love it, and they can help you make it, all right? So give us a try. We're calling this the Pepper Pizza Poppers, all right? So you probably want to go try to find the sweet peppers first. If not, bell peppers rock. All right, give it a try. Let me know what you think. Love you guys. Bye-bye.